That is what you call a chicken bell. That is an official veteran high mileage chicken bell. And I just got home and I see this. I'm kind of suspicious, but there's one particular person whose timing is spot on. So I don't know if it's her. Who's this from? It's from Mom. Would you look? Well, Mom, I swear, what are we going to do with you? Doggone it. All that love over yonder in Oklahoma. And it's so needed over here sometimes. But your packages, oh, they just contain all this love that you send from me, Mom. And thank you. Love you.